I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's a glue stain and nothing else. So we've just found our room and we selected the cheapest option. So Butlins chooses where you stay, but fortunately we're right next to the swimming pool and that's what we want to do. I've noticed there's a massive hole in the wall. Hopefully that doesn't bother us. So hopefully the door opens. It does. We can go in and this is what we get. A room with 2 beds, single beds, they're quite small. Got our own little wardrobe.
Oh, TV.
A TV. So it's just a normal TV with loads of channels. And let's see the bathroom. We get a nice big bath, which is cool. Bar of soap comes with it. It's looks a little bit dirty. No, I don't think that is that a stain. No, that's all right. So it seems quite reasonable. There is one towel that was on my bed. There wasn't one on the other bed. But Ernie's little Butlins bear's there now. The extractor fan makes a bit of noise, but when you're not in the bathroom, you can just turn it off. It comes on when the light comes on. Also, they've got one of these things to dry your clothes on, so that's pretty handy actually. After you've gone swimming, you can put your swimming costume on there to dry out, and the towels. Floor's a bit sticky. Floor may be slippery when wet. It's a bit of a lie, to be honest. It's quite sticky. I wonder if that towel they provided is the bath mat they're talking about. I don't see an ironing board anywhere, but we've got an iron. There is an ironing board. It's behind here. 2 glasses, a kettle, 2 cups with tea bags, coffee, some milk and sugars, of course. A little bin. There's rubbish bin left in here, so they didn't clean out this. Comes with a free necklace. As Ernie pointed out, we got some fingernails as well. Oh, how lovely. And what else is in here? Nothing else.
Clean that up.
Yeah, I think the maids missed that one. Hope there's nothing scary under the bed. Ernie, check under the bed. So what's under the bed? There's a cup. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's a glue stain and nothing else. And what else? What's under the other bed?
Nothing really.
Nothing really. I'm not really going to complain. I don't care. I think this is probably left over from one of those rave weekends. So that's a horrible dirty cup. And I'll put that in a bit. I'm just glad we didn't find anything more disgusting. So I'll put this in the bin. Ooh, brother. Ooh. Oh yeah, and the dirty fingernails. I'm gonna go wash my hands now.
How about a necklace? I'm not having a necklace.
Should we give it Mummy as a gift?
No. She won't want it.
They look horrible, these nails.
I don't want it.
A necklace.
In a bin.
Don't know, we can sell it maybe. Sell it on eBay.
Oh, yeah, sure.
See if Nanny wants to sell it on eBay. Also, the surface here isn't the most aesthetically pleasing. I'm sure they've wiped it down. I'm hoping they've wiped it. But yeah, it's covered in stains. I'm sure this could sand out, but yeah. I think a lot of this mess is from the adult nights they do. I think they do adult weekends where like 30-year-olds come and have a rave here. So I think that's where all this mess has come from. Not the kids. The kids are all nice and clean. Aren't you? You don't make a mess, do you?
Yeah, look. I even made this.
Oh yeah, she's using this wardrobe. It's come in use. So you get 2 nice little pillows, nice and soft. And they haven't put the sheets over, that's all right. This is the duvet. It's reasonably thick and pretty soft, pretty springy. Probably not so good if you got a really bad back, but I'm all right. This thing's a bit dirty, so I don't know what that is. I think it's like wax or something, like candle wax. And also, nice bit of art here. But Importantly, they've got a smoke alarm, and I'm guessing this might be one of those CO2 alarms. Some funny stains there, I don't know how they got up there. Everything seems cool, man. So there's a few things that haven't been cleaned up, but I'm not going to complain, I couldn't care less. It's our fault, we chose the cheapest accommodation, and you get what you pay for, to be honest. A lot of people moan, I see all these bad reviews of cheap places. Go somewhere more expensive, man, stop complaining. They're cheap for a reason. The bath seems pretty cool, to be honest, nice and big, so we'll be making the most out of that. Oh yeah. Got a bar of soap, comes with 1 bar of soap, 2 rolls of toilet roll. I actually packed some toilet roll just in case, because the maids won't be coming in to clean this room for the whole weekend. It's ours. Hot brush to clean it. So that's everything. So on the bath, there's a bit of a chip here, some weird sticky stuff here. I'm guessing that's like a seal for that. And this, I'm not sure what this is. I wonder if it's like they may have fixed something on the ceiling and it's dropped down into the bath and they haven't cleaned it up. It flakes off. I'm not sure if there's a bit of rust there as well. So obviously not the best place to have a wash, is it? Nice rusty bath and whatever this is, can't think of the word for it. Plaster, that's it. Might be plaster, or maybe there's a hole in the bath and they fixed it with this, and I'm gonna make a big hole in the bath by messing with it. Who knows? I'll just leave it how it is. Looks a bit old and rotten under here. There are no towels, there are nothing extra really. Everything you have to bring yourself. That's why it's so cheap. You can actually pay for extra stuff. You could probably get a better room and pay more. You could get a fridge. There's like, they've got the lowest and the most expensive. We've chosen the cheapest. So that's it. So we're going to chill out here and enjoy our stay. Are you excited, Ernie?
Yeah.
So for this room, and this room and the bathroom, it's a whopping £94 for a whole weekend. So you can come here on the Friday night, stay for until the Monday morning and leave Monday afternoon. You have to check out at 10, but you can leave on the Monday afternoon. You can also pay extra. So we paid £20 extra so we can get here early. We got here 3 hours earlier. You meant to check in at 1, but we got into Butlins at 12 and we hung around Butlins for an hour and then we got into our room. You could also pay a different service where you check out late, but I'd rather check in early and chill out for a bit and then go and play in Butlins. So this cost us £94, and we've also paid an extra £72 for a 1 adult, and the first child goes free. So it's cheap food. So for the whole weekend, every breakfast and every tea comes in that package of £72. So it's going to be 1 tea tonight, 2 breakfasts and teas, and then on the Monday morning we get breakfast when we leave. So I think that's a good deal as well. If anyone wants to buy this necklace from us, write a message in the comments and we'll give you a link to where you can buy it from us. I'll pull it on eBay or something, who knows. Get our money back for this. Also, if you're scared of spiders, maybe under here might scare you. But the good thing about spiders is they're stopping all the flies from coming in. You scared of spiders? Yeah, don't be. But that's the thing. If they tore this down and built something new, they wouldn't be able to offer such a cheap room for everyone. They'd just be as expensive as all the other rooms, so you can't complain, can you? If you don't like it, go somewhere expensive. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe and go and watch our other videos. That was the tour of the Butlins bedroom. This is where nothing happens. As you can say, magic. This alarm has just come off. I don't know what it means. So I guess it wasn't a CO2 thing. That's the noise for the alarm. Perhaps someone's smoking in another room.